Are you spending your hard-earned money on random acupuncture courses that aren't getting you the results you need in your traditional Japanese acupuncture and moxibustion practice? Stay tuned because today I'm going to explain why this learning approach might be holding you back and what you can do to truly excel in your practice. Hey everyone, I'm Maya Suzuki, your host here on ShinKyu University. And this channel is all about traditional Japanese acupuncture and moxibustion and shonishin and so much more. And if you're passionate about learning this medicine, then you're going to want to hit the little like button, ring the bell for future updates all about traditional Japanese medicine. I've been practicing traditional Japanese acupuncture and moxibustion for over 15 years. And not only have I built a successful practice for myself, I've also helped countless of my students do it for themselves. And through this, I've really learned the importance of a structured education. Let me share some insights on why random TCM and traditional Japanese medicine courses can lead to a disjointed and ineffective learning experience. Now, if you're serious about really elevating your traditional Japanese medicine practice, please consider booking an interview with me to discuss your goals and if ShinKyu University can help you achieve them with a cohesive and comprehensive education. There's a link in the description box below. You just have to click on it, or you can also put apply in the comments below and I'll reach out directly to you. First, let's talk about disjointed information because nobody does disjointed information quite like acupuncture classes. When you take random courses, you're getting bits and pieces of knowledge without a comprehensive understanding. These courses often cover isolated topics without integrating them together in a holistic framework. And then this leads to a lack of cohesive education and understanding. Now, without a structured and comprehensive curriculum, it's really challenging to see how different techniques and theories fit together. This is true of trying to understand how meridian theory and point location theory and Zanfu theory and herbal theory and all the other theories, how they all are really just one theory when your patient is in front of you on the table. This creates gaps in your knowledge and makes it difficult to apply what you learn effectively in practice. Think of it like this. Taking random TCM or traditional Japanese medicine courses is like eating at a buffet. You get a little bit of everything, but nothing truly satisfies or gives you a deep understanding. This is in contrast with a fine dining experience, where each course is carefully selected and designed to complement the others. Just like you would prefer a gourmet meal over a random buffet item, you should seek a high-quality, well-integrated course that offers depth and cohesiveness. Consider this. Would you prefer a degree from Harvard or for a community college? The difference in the value and prestige of a structured, high-quality education versus a series of random, low-quality courses is significant. And while yes, a degree from a community college is just as useful as one from a really high-quality school like Harvard, the difference is going to be in the value, of course prestige, but also the structured, high-quality education. That is in comparison to a bunch of random courses that really don't cohesively go together. A degree from a prestigious institution indicates a deep, comprehensive education. And similarly, a well-structured and well-mentored course in traditional Japanese medicine will provide a deeper and more effective understanding of the practice and application of the medicine. Another issue is in the reliance on pre-recorded classes. Now, while these are convenient, they lack the interactive element that's crucial for learning. You need feedback in order to excel. Without the ability to ask questions and get that immediate feedback, you're gonna get gaps in your knowledge. Pre-recorded classes on their own also often don't provide the hands-on experience needed to master techniques that are oh so important in traditional Japanese medicine. Does this resonate with you and what you have learned up until this point? Let me know in the comments below. What's the solution here? Of course, enrolling in a structured program that provides a cohesive education that ensures that all aspects of TCM and traditional Japanese medicine are covered in a logical and integrated manner. The problem with that, though, is they don't really exist outside of ShinKyu University. Now, a structured program like ShinKyu University is going to offer you consistency and continuity. It's going to help you build on previous knowledge and develop a cohesive understanding of the practice for the patient in front of you. Of course, within this, you don't want to ever underestimate the value of mentorship and guidance. Having mentors and instructors who can guide your learning, answer your questions, and provide personalized feedback, this is invaluable to your education. The problem is that most of the mentors, they're going to be doing these one-off classes that I've talked about so much on this channel. And so you're going to want to make sure that whatever mentor you choose, they are going to give you curriculum and education and feedback on a cohesive education that you're already studying. Okay, so here's my advice. You're gonna wanna choose courses very wisely. Look for programs that offer a cohesive and comprehensive curriculum, live instruction, and opportunities for hands-on practice no matter where you are in the world. We live in a very digital age. It's important that your education can move with you. Invest in quality education, of course, even if it costs more upfront. Now, the long-term benefits of a thorough and well-rounded education, they far outweigh the short-term savings of a cheaper, disjointed course that's going to give you a random technique that's just going to make you confused in clinic. The next thing I recommend is that you seek personalized guidance through mentorship. This can make a significant difference in your learning, and that reflects immediately to your practice. Okay, let's review. Random, disjointed courses, they're gonna lead to gaps in your knowledge, and that leads to gaps in your confidence, and it's gonna make it hard for you to retain clients. Instead, invest in structured, high-quality education and mentorship to truly excel your practice. Please do not enroll into a class that is just pre-recorded, that does not have mentorship. It's not gonna benefit you in the long term. Thank you so much for watching. Now, if you're ready to take your practice to the next level, consider booking an interview with me to discuss your goals and if they align with the ShinKyu University program. The ShinKyu University program is going to give you a cohesive and comprehensive education. If you're interested in doing that, again, there's a link in the description box below, or you can just put apply in the comments below and I'll reach out directly to you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more videos all about traditional Japanese acupuncture, moxibustion, shonishin, and so much more. Now, if you're interested in more tips on how to improve your moxibustion practice, you're going to want to check out this video right over here. Until I see you next time, keep practicing.